Kids, today we will learn two-digit addition. Examples: 23, 14. 3, 4 in ones place, 2, 1 in tens place. Add 3 plus 4 equal to 7. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Answer is 37. 8, 7 is in ones place. 4, 2 is in tens place. Add 8 plus 7 equal to 15. 5 place in ones place. 1 should be carried to tens. 4 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 7. Answer is 75. Next example: 6, 7, 67, 5, 8, 58. Ones, tens. Add 7 plus 8 equal to 15. 5 place in ones. 1 should be carried to tens. 6 plus 5 plus 1 equal to 12. Answer is 125, 125. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Kids School Bag.